can't come. Sadly, he can't come. I kept his original text. I kept his first text. I ran a small room, I live in a small room. I wrote a memo not to call him. I left a note not to call him. My luggage is by the door, my suitcase by the door. I asked my editor for advice, I asked my friend for advice. I'm not a replacement for his ex, I'm not his rebound. Give me an update later, text me later. He works at the ship, pull your breath. Don't play with my heart tonight. Don't turn my love into a fight. Say it clear, don't hide the truth. I'm stronger now, I'm strong and proof. We met at the art exhibition, we met at the art show. He joined a leading company, he joined a top company. His organization held a party, his group held a party. His band will release a song, his band will put out a song. My time is limited tonight, I don't have much time tonight. The procedure is slow, the process is slow. I'm experienced with heartbreaks, I've been through heartbreaks. I told the hotel personnel, I told the hotel staff. The author says love takes time, the writer says love takes time. This love brings no benefit, this love doesn't help me. I can't focus at work, I can't think straight at work.